Hey y'all, peaceful greetings first of all. Hope all is well with all of y'all. Today we are going to be doing a retwist video. It's been about 3 months since I last retwisted and I am ready, y'all. So we're gonna get right into it. What we're gonna be using today is the CANTU twist and lock gel. My spray that I spray on my hair, my little moisturizer that I spray on my hair every other day, which is made up of purified water, coconut oil, and castor oil. So I just mix this up. I spray it on my hair like every other day. Whenever I feel it needs some attention, this is what I go to. And of course we have our good old clips. My favorite comb. It's been around forever. Alrighty, so let's get right into it. Like I said, it's been about 3 months since it has been 3 months since I retwisted. I've done the dry twist here and there in between. So it's been washed. It's ready to go. So here we go. It's washed and everything. It's been a couple of days. I like to wash it and let it dry before I retwist it. I don't like to retwist when my hair is wet. I like to wash it, you know, let it dry and everything. And when I do my retwist, which usually is a day or two, usually no day later than when I wash it, I just spray it down real good in the roots. All of it, really, because my hair has color in it, so I like to keep it moisturized. Anytime I spray the roots, I like to spray all of it. I don't know. Keep the attention even. A little OCD thing I have. But yeah. Now, this CANTU Shea Butter Lock Gel. I think the first thing I used on my hair to lock it was the Mango Lime Twist Gel. I liked it, but it was kind of heavy on my hair, and I really was just using it because I like the way it smells. It smells so good. But I decided to try the CANTU line because I saw, you know, well, I was using their shampoo and conditioner, which I love, and the smell is amazing. So I decided to try the lock gel, and it's super light. It doesn't flake, so that's what I've been with ever since. It's been a while, probably 2-3 years I've been using this now. I think, don't quote me on that, or something like that. So we have our little portion back here sectioned off. We have our lock gel, and we simply just gonna generously spray it amongst this little portion that I have out back here. I don't put a lot in there, just enough to make sure each one is touched. But you don't want to put a lot in there because, you know, too much of anything is not a good thing in my eyes. Like, I don't like to put too much of anything in my hair, so the least I can do to make it do is what I do. Like I said before, the least amount of stuff you put in your hair is the best. So we got that in there. Now, we'll take each lock. We'll take each lock and simply my roots are normally straight, so I don't even like to use a comb. But if you would like to use a comb and straighten your roots out before you do the quick twist just to make sure you got that real super tight knit look. You know, do that. But I normally don't. I just wanted to show y'all my baby because I love my color. But anyways, yeah. So you just take each lock after you got them good drenched with your coconut oils and your lock gel, and simply twist and roll. Twist and roll until you get it tight. Tighten it, clip it, keep it moving. Just repeat the process until you got it all twisted and pinned up and as y'all see, mine are all different sizes. I got some real thin ones, like my baby's baby. And then I got some chunky ones that y'all can see later on. So let me let y'all see what they looking like. So far, this is what we have. So, okay. Let's finish this. Alright, y'all. So, finish this little section. Y'all can see this. This is what it looks like so far. This probably, just getting this much done should take a couple of minutes, literally like 2 or 3 minutes. So we're gonna keep it moving. Alright, y'all, we are all done. The hard part is over. Alright, so now I'm about to sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. And then I'll be back to take the clips out, which don't take long at all. So, see you in a minute. Okay, y'all. So, fresh from under the dryer. I sat under there for actually about 15 minutes because the heat felt so good. But normally I only do about 10 minutes. So, time to take the pins out. As y'all saw while I was doing the retwist, I didn't use much of the product, the CANTU LOC gel. I didn't use much at all. You don't need much, like it holds very well. It smells so good too, y'all. But yeah. Okay. Alrighty, so we got all the pins out. I have to wear my fez tomorrow, so before I attempt to do a style right now with you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try on my fez and make sure that, or see if it fits like this, or see if I need to try to do something to pull my hair up on the sides. So I'm gonna check that out right quick and I'll be right back. So, looks like I'm gonna be okay without doing the updo, which is so cool. I could save the updo for another video with you guys. Alright, so thank y'all for tuning in. This will conclude the retwist video. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull my hair up into a ponytail for the night and wrap it up in my satin hair wrap and get ready for my event tomorrow. So thank y'all for tuning in. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that you will get the alert when I send out more content. The next video, more than likely, like I said earlier, will be my dyeing my hair red video. As you noticed, I had to switch rooms to finish the video because I kind of lost the natural daylight that I had in my other room. So I have now found out that I love these lights a lot better. So I will be shooting the dyeing my locks red video in this room so you guys will be able to see the difference, because I totally see the difference. But anyway, stay tuned. That's gonna be coming soon. Thank you guys and be blessed.